On top tori for today for T-Live Media, Edo State government don invite pensioners wey dey batch 47 for physical and documentary verification so that government go fit process payment for their pension wey dem bin never pay. For the statement wey state government issue for Benin City, Permanent Secretary and Chairman Pension Bureau IDS Juwobo tok say dis exercise na unto say we state government wan pay all the pension money wey dem bin never pay and say the pensioners go get their payment after this exercise. E tok say to do this one, all pensioners wey dey batch 47 need to waka come for physical and documentary verification for Imagwero Hall for Benin City on Monday wey be 14 and Tuesday wey be 15th of January 2019, and they go come 9 o'clock for morning for these 2 days. Juwobo con tok say pensioners wey dey batch 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46 wey no first participate for the formal verification exercise go take this opportunity take do their screening with batch 47. Juwobo con dey advise the batch 47 pensioners and the spillover batch of batch 37 to 46 say make dem check the list of pensioners wey dem don schedule for the screening for notice board with the Pensions Bureau's office for former Ethiop Building, Ring Road for Benin City on Thursday 10 and Friday 11th January 2019. Pensioners wey dey these batches wey wan do screening so go come the screening of the verification exercise with the following documents wey be pension authority, retirement letter, letter of first appointment, pension identity card, biometric slip and bank details wey be bank name and account number. Juwobo tok say after dem don finish the verification exercise, dem go pay the pension money wey dey ground enter the pension account of all the pensioners after necessary documentation by relevant agencies wey get hand for the payment process. Na so we see the tori reach on top of how Edo State government wan take make life sweet for the pensioners wey don serve with state government wey dey with state.